Now children, today let's start with chapter number 7, that is fun with paint. So in this chapter I will tell you about MS Paint, how to draw on the paint. So in this chapter we will learn about painting tools, right? Paint is a program of MS Window. So in Paint drawings are made with the help of computer mouse, right? आप computer mouse की help से आकर drawing बना. Now opening Paint. Follow the steps. First is click the start button, select the window as series. आपको different list of options दिखाई देंगे. यहाँ पे paint option आएगा, उसको आपको double click करना है and the paint window will appear. It is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. Drawing area, toolbox कर लो. ये आपका drawing area हो गया. This is drawing area, right? This is your color box. This and this is your toolbox. देखो ये सारे क्या हो गए आपके? This is your toolbox, this is your color box. It is written wrong over here and this is your drawing area where you can draw. Now using tool. In Paint, different functions are performed using different tool. A tool is selected by clicking the left mouse button. So there are many tools in the toolbox. If we will going to learn, we have pencil tool, eraser tool, brush tool, ellipse tool, line tool, rectangle tool and the fill with color. These are the different tools. Let's study this tool. First is pencil. So this tool is used for drawing freehand. Open the paint window and click on the pencil tool. आप tool पे जाएंगे tool box में. आप अपने हिसाब से जो color choose कर जाता है वो choose भी कर सकते हैं. Bring the mouse to the point and click and drag the mouse and you can drop like this. Eraser tool if you want to erase any part of the picture. So what you will do, you will click on the eraser tool in the toolbox, bring the mouse pointer into the drawing area and then click and drag the mouse over the part that you want to erase. Any line in the figure can be erased. आप कोई भी line figures में क्या कर सकते हो? Erase कर सकते. Then we have brush tool, which is used for drawing thick lines. It is very similar to using painting brush. जैसे आपने paint window open करा, अपने brushes पे जाके you can choose any brush size, whatever type of brush you want to choose, and you can draw line like this. Ellipse tool, it is used to draw circles and ovals. ठीक है, सब circles और ovals draw करते हैं. Open a paint window and click on ellipse tool. Bring the mouse pointer onto the drawing area. Then step 3, click and drag the computer mouse to draw a circle or an oval. You can draw as many circles and जितने circles चाहे अपने draw कर सकते. Right? And after with that we have line tool, which is used to draw lines of different thickness. आप देखो किसी भी thickness की line यहाँ पे draw कर सकते हो according to your choice. Right? And you can choose the color also. Any color you can use and bring the mouse pointer in drawing area. Click and drag the computer mouse. और आप किसी भी size की किसी भी thickness की line draw कर सकते हैं. Then we have rectangle tool, which is used to draw rectangle and square. You will open a paint window. आप rectangle tool पे जाएंगे. आप square बनाना चाहते हैं, rectangle बनाना चाहते हैं. You will bring the mouse pointer on the screen and you will drag it and you can make rectangle and square. Now fill with color. भाई हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया, अब हम इसमें कलर फिल करना है. सो इट इज यूज टू फिल अ सिलेक्टेड कलर इन अ क्लोज शेप दैट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन ड्रॉ. ड्रॉ रेक्टेंगल, क्लिक ऑन फिल विद कलर. यहाँ पे ये ऑप्शन आता है फिल विद कलर का. ठीक है, आप इस पे क्या करोगे? क्लिक करोगे. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स विल सेलेक्ट द डिजायर्ड कलर. आप कलर बॉक्स में से जो कलर सिलेक्ट करेंगे एंड ब्रिंग द माउस टू द ऑफ द ड्रॉइंग एरिया एंड यू विल क्लिक एंड द रेक्टेंगल विल बी फिल्ड. देन जैसे आप देखें ना ऑरेंज कलर में फिल होगी. This is all about the paint program. It is a painting program and where you can draw and color different drawings. Now, chapter has been completed. Let's start with the exercise. So first is tick the correct option. A program in MS Word, that is Paint. There are many tools in the toolbox. Tool is used for drawing freehand, that is pencil tool. Then tool is used for drawing rectangle and square, that is rectangle. So rectangle tool किसमें help करता है? Drawing rectangle and square. Now fill in the blanks. Paint is a program. The paint window is divided into कितने parts में divided है? 3 parts. In Paint, different functions are performed using mouse. A dash tool is used for drawing freehand, that is pencil tool. Now mark tick for the correct statement and cross for the wrong. This is the brush tool. Write C for true and A for false statement. Paint in desktop is used for making bells. False. किसके लिए हेल्प आता है? ड्राइंग करने के लिए. Tools are not used for function in paint. False. They are used. Color box is a circle area. Line tool is used for drawing straight line. It's true. Next is answer the following question. You have to mention the steps. मैंने आपको steps बताए थे. First you will go to start button, then window accessories, then paint option. You have to click on it and then your window will appear. Name the various tools in the toolbox: pencil tool, eraser tool, rectangle tool, eclipse tool. Explain the uses of eraser tool. If you want to erase a part of drawing which has been made by mistake or it is wrong. Explain the use of fill with color of the tool. When you have made any drawing and you want to fill the color, you can use the fill with color option and you can fill in the drawing. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now meet in the next class. Thank you.